In the hush of a mist-laden forest, a fox named Ember discovers a glowing acorn that whispers secrets of the stars. The acorn pulses, projecting a map of constellations across the moss. Ember realizes it is a key to the lost sky bridge once walked by ancient animals. To rekindle the bridge, Ember must gather 3 fallen star fragments before dawn, each guarded by a guardian spirit. First, the Owl of Echoes challenges Ember with a riddle of silence. Solving it earns a silver star shard that hums like wind chimes. Next, the Bear of Stillness blocks a frozen river. Ember must share warmth without words, melting the ice and revealing a golden shard beneath. Finally, the Deer of Speed races Ember through a labyrinth of mirrors. By choosing compassion over victory, Ember receives the final iridescent shard. As sunrise paints the sky, Ember places the 3 shards into the acorn. A staircase of light unfurls into the heavens, reuniting Earth and cosmos. Guardian spirits gather, bowing to Ember. The fox chooses to remain earthbound, teaching every creature that kindness, not conquest, opens the greatest paths.